Hello everyone, welcome to today's lecture. In this lecture, we will be covering the topic meaning of economic and non-economic activities. My name is Supriti Das. I work as a guest faculty in the Department of Management, Assam Downtown University. So, if I just want to give you the introduction of what is economic activity and non-economic activity. So, let's see. Economic activities are those activities which are inspired by the objective of earning profit, which is required by people to satisfy their day-to-day needs of life. In fact, economic activities are kind of a mean of livelihood. So men do not live by sentiments and emotions alone, right? So for their survival they also need some basic things like food, clothing, shelter, education, then medical facilities. So with the advancement of society, many more new things have also come as necessities for making life convenient, comfortable. So today we want what more additional things. We need transport, we need entertainment, we need publicity. So since people cannot produce everything by their own, so they need to what purchase it, right? They have to purchase their requirements from outside sources. So while the concept of purchasing has come, so definitely they'll have to purchase their thing by exchanging, by giving money. So with the help of money they have to purchase that thing. So therefore most of the people, they do some kind of activities and they are paid in money or money is worth, right? So activities which are inspired mainly by economic consideration and result in the production of goods and services, those are the economic activities. Okay, and moving to non-economic activities, like all men are born with some kind of emotions or sentiments within, right? So they have certain obligations to the society in which they live. So they have to perform a number of non-economic activities to satisfy their sentiments, such as charity, religion, love, sympathy, then recreation. So non-economic activities are therefore undertaken not for any material rewards, but it is a kind of business which you are running for happiness. You are serving the society, you are becoming happy, you are serving the society, you are finding it quite pleasurable. Then that is also giving you some kind of psychological satisfaction, right, which cannot be expressed in terms of money. Okay, so when we say non-economic activities, these are some kind of activities which are inspired by many motives other than earning money. So if I say example, leisure time activities, like whose aim generally is to derive pleasure in idle time. Example, hobbies like singing, painting for pleasure, working in own garden. These are kind of activities, right? But these are not economic activities. This falls under non-economic activities because you are doing these activities in order to earn happiness, right? Then religious and cultural activities also, like which are inspired by need for mental, spiritual and transcendental satisfaction and happiness, like you're going to temples, you're celebrating festivals. So these are what non-economic activities. Okay, you are performing these activities not with the aim of earning money, but you are performing this kind of activities because you want to earn some kind of peace, some kind of happiness among yourself. Okay, so in the next class we will go into depth of economic and non-economic activities. This was just an introduction of actually what is economic and non-economic activity. So thank you.